Welcome to a Glaass tutorial. In this video, I'm going to provide an introduction to Glaass. Glaass is made up of a series of modules. The filing cabinets in this visual analogy represent the modules, for example, quality, safety, and environment. Each of these filing cabinets has a different number of drawers. This is because the drawers represent templates in Glaass. Templates can be a non-conformance report, a defects report, or an inspection report. Within the templates, there are folders. In Glaass, folders can be made in substructures, invisible folders, and private folders. Inside the folders are pieces of paper, which we call a case. So for example, once a non-conformance report template has been opened, filled in, and created, it becomes a case with a unique case ID. At this moment, I'm going to change into the software now to show you how modules, templates, folders, and cases works in Glaass. Modules in Glaass appear in the left-hand column of the user interface. These are the filing cabinets in that visual analogy. If you click on a module, it expands to show the templates within it. Templates can be customized and named according to the project's needs and requirements. And templates can also be ordered in any fashion that is required. If I select on the Nonconformity Reports template, it shows the folders within it. And if I select on a folder, it shows the cases inside that folder, i.e. the pieces of paper inside the folder. And if I select on a case, it opens it up to show the full history of that activity or task. All cases have the same look and feel to give users a sense of familiarity. So all cases include the title of the case at the top, the name of the template, the project or company logo, the unique case ID, the user who created this case, the status, and the due date. All cases also include details. So this shows the information about the specific case, such as the location, the date it was identified, the company that's responsible, and all of the other important information about this case. Now, all of these fields can be customized and named according to the project's requirements. So the field name and the field type can be customized to each template type in the project. Cases can also be linked together. So this non-conformance report has been linked to a lot on the concourse level slab. Cases can also include workflows, which are custom approval processes, whereby users or groups approve individual steps in order to proceed the workflow forwards or backwards. The last part of a case is the timeline. The timeline is like an email thread which records user's name, date, and time when an action is performed on the case. For example, case replies, linking, and adding workflows is all captured in the timeline. You can also see who has viewed the case by hovering over their name. User's name in black text means that they have opened the case, and you can see the date and the time that they've done so. Users' names in light grey means that they have not opened up the case. If we open up another case, for example, a defects report, you notice it has the same folder structure. We go into the folder and it shows the cases within the folder. When we open up the defect, you'll notice that it has the same look with the title, template name, and important information at the top, as well as the details. However, this defect has been customized with different fields and metadata. In fact, it's been customized with individual items that track each of the defects. So we've got an individual item for each defect on the project, including a photo of the defect itself and a marked up drawing showing the location. Defects can be digitally completed by ticking off the box, where Glaass records the user's name, date and time that the defect was completed, and comments with attachments can also be added to each of the items. At the bottom of this case is also the timeline, which is showing the full history of everything that has happened to this case. To create a case and to open up a brand new template, you simply select the multi-purpose button and then select New Defect, or alternatively, you can right-click in the middle column and select New Defect, and it opens up the new template ready to be filled in. All templates have different fields and metadata, and this can be customized by document control permission users in the project. For more information on how to create a case, Please open and view the How to Create a Case in Glaass video tutorial. That was an introduction to Glaass. Glaass projects are made up of a series of modules. The modules are like filing cabinets. Within the modules are templates. These are the drawers in the filing cabinet. Within the templates are folders, and these folders are living inside the drawers. Within the folders are cases, and these are like the pieces of paper inside the folder. Glaass projects can be made up of any combination of modules and templates, and the templates are custom titled and can be in any order in the module. Folder structures can include subfolders, as well as private and invisible folders, and the case shows the full history of a project activity or task. That was an introduction to Glaass. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team.